abashomesa 372 ba senior ku rwo muri district 8 za Nkore nibo batongozi bahobwa nyuma yo kumara wiki yona ishomero ya Ntare School bari kubangurwa mu nshonga zo kunda ihanga ryabo. Asime Julius umushomesa ku rugacikasi yo muri Cyuruhura kandi washome cyandiko cy'abashomesa bona yatangariza President Museveni zimwe hanshonga ziri kubateganisa aba bayoreka ngo bashanga ubuzu buhango mu kaciko akarukereze mirimo akari kubanyangaraza akari kubashabe bituga kubateka ha payroll.
Activities of the Education Service Commission for recruiting teachers. However, these days it is difficult for teachers to access payroll without kitu kidogo. A poor teacher has to part with a minimum of 1 million shillings and sometimes even fails to be recruited.
President Yoweri Museveni hanshonga yo bushomanguzi yo kunko yabagarukamu.
Capturing this information, if somebody wants to apply, you should get rid of that person. Should be in jail. Why should you tolerate that situation? Get the information and get rid of these people.
Ahanshonga yo kushashore nguzi yo kuzaha payroll ya government yagenewe President Museveni yabgamba wati.
What you have done, that tomorrow the payroll we need to pay it to go. I want to contact who are my staff who are here. You write the contact of the but SECO has contact with them. SECO has contact. Really I want to get evidence and get rid of this. The committee which drafted.
Ahasente z'abashomesa za sako ezi yabaraganise President Yoweri Museveni yabaraganisa ngo sente niziza kwija acho kongera abashomesa ba atso mushara President Yoweri Museveni yajango bagumisirize government kabene kubanza ba science.
Donald said, "Punandire, I joke when I am satisfied." So we say, let's come to this side. Because the scientists are in the veterinary, they are in crops, they are on the roads, they are on those factories, they are on these vehicles. Yes, let's start with this. Because first of all, they are sure, but we need them urgently now.
Janet Kata Museveni kandi Minisita w'Ebyobwegesa hamwe n'emisano na wanshonga y'oburubwenguzi yabgamba wati.
I urge you to teach the younger generation to live lives that are free of habits and behavior of corruption. I want to recruit you as a critical mass of foot soldiers in the war against corruption.
Yahamza abashomesa ngo government ya NRM nemanyo mu rugo abashomesa barukora kaneja kora nshonga zabo.
We are not yet in that place where we have all the resources. We need to do our work, but the NRM government, your government, is working systematically with sincere determination to ensure that your hard work is met.
Anshonga y'abantu kundi ihanga ryabo President Yoweri Museveni yashobora gutakabaho ntungu ko mu ihanga abantu babatakundi ihanga ryabo.
If you say you care about Banyangwele, but you don't care about Uganda, you are not serious. Because Uganda is the one which helps Banyangwele to be prosperous.
Helen Sekur kurenkora yo kubangura abantu okundi ihanga ryabo okurwa mu makaga wa President yashobora kigenderwa cyo kubangura abashomesa.
To empower teachers in promoting patriotism, rural modeling, discipline, and a commitment to national cause, ultimately developing a generation of responsible and loyal citizens. To also develop their ability to foster harmony and the spirit of hard work for national building and hence wealth creation.
Saulo Rwampororo omukuru w'ishomero rya Ntare yashaba gavumenti okureba ngu yabongera omushomo gundi ngo ahabwo kuba abashomesani bingi omu ihanga. Adolphe Ayureka, Tayari West TV, Agenshonga.